Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a super simple automatic light sensor circuit using only a few electronic components. This circuit automatically reacts to light intensity. When light hits the LDR, the LED turns off. As the environment becomes darker, the LED gradually turns on. In complete darkness, the LED reaches maximum brightness. The BC547 works like an electronic switch. The 22K resistor controls the transistor base current. Lower LDR current means brighter LED output. LDR resistance principle. More light equals lower resistance. Less light equals higher resistance.
Simple and low-cost circuit. Very low power consumption. Easy to build for beginners. Automatic day and night operation. Not very accurate in unstable lighting. LED brightness changes slowly. Sensitive to surrounding light conditions.
A simple circuit can still be very useful. This is one of the easiest transistor sensor circuits. Low component count means easy troubleshooting. Perfect for automatic nightlight projects. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this simple electronics project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics videos.